Brittany, and today I have a wig review for you guys. Today's wig review is brought to you by Myfirstwigs.com. I have worked with them several times in the past. I think this is our 4th time working together. I will say, before I get into the review, some good things about this company that I've noticed throughout our cooperations. First of all, they're very professional. Every time they seek to work with me, they're always professional in their interactions with me through email. As a brand, you can tell that they listen to, the complaints of wig gurus and their customers over the years, because they always implement things that are going to make your wig application a lot easier. So the whole mission of their company is to create high quality wigs for beginners. So they send several things that makes the process of applying your wig a lot easier. So they pay attention to detail, and it's always super high quality. I think the first time I worked with them, or maybe the second time, I did a bob called Mignon, and I get bobs and hair and wigs all the time. That wig was super easy to apply and it was beautiful. And my mom, who is not a big wig wearer, she wanted it, so I gave it to my mom. And that has been her special occasion wig. She's worn it to a lot of special occasions. She wore it to my bridal shower, she wore it to my wedding, and she wore it to her and my dad's 30th anniversary party. So I can attest, and so can she, to the high quality of their wigs. So this time they sent me an email and they had some new wigs with new colors and styles. And for the summer, I decided to go with a short bob cut that is ombre blonde. So the root is a dark number 4, and then it fades into that nice blonde. It's a nice warm blonde. I like that yellow blonde that I was complaining about in a few reviews back. So the wig initially came with a middle part. I wasn't feeling the middle part on my face, so I was like, let me try it again another day as a side part. So I did. The side part looks super cute. It's a very sleek and cute cut. Definitely wanted to get something short and lightweight. So this is very short and lightweight, and a great density. So I want to give you guys a 360. Yeah, so I have a little bit tucked behind my ear because I just like that look, but you can obviously, wear it all out like that. This is actually their 3rd anniversary, so you're probably going to see a lot of other YouTubers uploading videos as well. With the application, what I did sew the elastic that came with the wig inside of the wig to have a more secure fit, and so that I wouldn't have to do too much of the got to be glued and all that stuff. I definitely use the elastic band method if you don't want to have to do all of that application to your hairline. You still might have to use a little bit of it, and I did do that today, but you're not going to have to do as much, especially if you're wearing your hair straight down. You don't have to worry about doing too much of the got to be glued stuff. And what I also did around the parting space is I took the got to be glued spray and just sprayed it on top of the lace. So this wig comes with a pre-plucked hairline, so I didn't do all of that tweezing and customizing that I usually do. I know how hard it is and time consuming it is to do the customizing of your hairline, so you don't have to do that with this company. And you also get 6 inches of parting space, which looks very, very natural. 6 inches of parting space. And I could go back even further. I have not gotten any shedding or tangling with this wig. That's one good thing about, bob wigs in general, human or synthetic. You don't really get tangling that much unless you just wear it all the time. So something good about this hair color, if you want to try the blonde, but then you want to switch it up when fall comes, you can always dye this as well. This is a silky texture if I'm not mistaken, and it looks very, very natural and has a really good luster to it. If you have any other questions that I did not answer about this wig that you would like to know, please list those in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as quickly as I can. If I have any coupon codes or anything like that, I'll list those in the description box. I want to thank Myfirstwigs for sending me this wig to review for you guys, and I want to thank you guys for supporting my channel. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your notifications, because I do have, I think by the time this video goes up, my wig sale will be like 3 days away, but I do have a wig sale coming up, so you guys need to check for that. Turn on your notifications. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.